How I walked back from the brink. There is a specific kind of fear that hits you when your body starts to fail. For me, it was the moment I saw 240/140 on a blood pressure monitor. My head was spinning with dizziness. Nights were exhausting marathons, waking up 4 or 5 times, rushing to the bathroom, only to find I couldn't actually go. It was painful, frustrating, and honestly, terrifying. I felt like I was staring death in the face. I knew I had to change. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. I didn't have a gym membership or a fancy track. What I had was the rooftop on the 4th floor of my house. I cleared a space and just started moving. In the first month, I managed 4 kilometers. By the second month, I reached 10. Now, in the third month, the transformation feels nothing short of a miracle. My blood pressure stabilized to 120/80. I began sleeping through the night. I could urinate smoothly again. My appetite returned. I didn't just regain my health. I found a second chance at life. But this wasn't only about walking. It was also about what I chose to put into my body. Every ingredient became a tool for repair. I filled my plate with cooked tomatoes for lycopene, a true ally for heart health. I added broccoli, cabbage, and onions to help fight inflammation. Garlic became a daily habit to help my blood vessels relax. I included kamote tops, sweet potato leaves, for their powerful antioxidants. For energy and balance, I ate potatoes and added cinnamon to help manage blood sugar. Turmeric became my natural anti-inflammatory partner. Even my morning coffee changed. I mixed in cocoa powder for its flavonoids and added cinnamon for circulation. To support my immune system, I used zinc and vitamin C, and under medical guidance, I took a low dose of Tadalafil, known to improve blood flow and help with urinary symptoms. What I learned is this: the benefits of walking go far beyond calories burned. Walking supports vascular health, kidney function, and mental clarity. If you are feeling like I once did, scared, tired, and broken, please know this: the human body has an incredible ability to heal when you give it the right movement and the right fuel. You don't need a stadium. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need a rooftop and the will to take the first step. Your life is worth the walk. I am sharing my personal journey and the success I experienced through changes in my daily habits, but I am not a medical doctor or healthcare professional. High blood pressure is a serious and potentially life-threatening condition, and every person's health situation is unique. Please consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine, dietary change, supplement, or medication. Thank you very much for listening to my story, and I sincerely hope it encourages you to take good care of your own health. Now that I've reclaimed my health, I feel a new fire inside me. I'll be 78 years old in just a few months, and instead of slowing down, I'm looking forward. I don't just want to exist. I want to thrive, earn, and most importantly, help the people in my community. When you've been given a second chance at life, you want to make it count. Turning health into wealth. I've been thinking, what kind of business can a 78-year-old start? I have a rooftop, I have my health, and I have a story. Maybe it's a small-scale urban garden selling the very healing greens, like kamote tops and organic cabbage that helped me. Or perhaps a health consultancy or a small healthy cafe serving my signature turmeric and cocoa coffee. Helping the community, my goal isn't just profit, it's impact. I want to show my neighbors that it's never too late to reverse your fortunes. Whether it's selling affordable, nutrient-dense meals or providing a space for others to learn about circulation and heart health, I want my business to be a lighthouse for others who are scared, just like I was. The call to action: age is just a number, but energy is a choice. I'm choosing to build. If you have ideas for a business I can start from my home or rooftop to help our community, drop them in the comments. Let's build something together. Thank you for watching my video.